Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At this time, I will cook breakfast. So guys, ayan yung leftover rice natin. Tapos meron din siyang ganito. Guys, ganito yung stove ni Tropa. Oh. Tapos sa likod nandun yung isa. So, I will be using some carrots. And then, we put some cabbage. Guys, first nating niluto yung egg. Breakfast! Guys, failed yung soup natin. Tinulungan ako nung Chinese na i-operate tong blender pero ala umapaw. Natapon lang. Kaya fried rice na lang kinain namin. Guys pala, pabalik ako ng bahay pero hindi ako magla-lunch doon, sa labas ako magla-lunch kasi we decided na hindi kami magluluto ng lunch, bali breakfast lang tsaka dinner. So guys, nasa bahay na ako. So bali bago ako kumain ng lunch, tingnan ko muna kung ano yung kailangang ilabas na karne o slice ni Binta na veg bago siya umuwi. Auntie is peeling some garlic. Auntie. So palabas na kami guys.
Kamusta? Hello guys.
Auntie is very beautiful. So magla-lunch na ako nito guys. So let's go. Sobrang init, guys. Ha, Peter is looking. Auntie, hold the camera for us. Auntie is very beautiful. Auntie, where I will drop you, Auntie?
Traffic light.
Traffic light.
Which side are you going?
Huh?
Which side?
Around that side, no?
Which side?
Traffic muna. Hey, Peter is watching.
Because you take a traffic one there. Hey, I see some. They have this thing. What do you do? They are funny.
I know, you don't know.
Yes, we are going, huh? Me, I'm going home. Auntie Mary is going to traffic mall.
To eat lunch.
Yes.
Because there's no cook.
Ah.
And there is work. Cannot cook all the time. Auntie Binta is free, ah?
I'm free, guys. I'm free, huh? I will go to Jaja school and take Jaja there.
You will pick her up.
Yes. Maybe I will go, maybe I will not go. So. You know the sun is hot, huh?
hotels. Yes.
You think today my boss bring me here.
My uncle.
Now you uncle bring me here. Uncle man. Yes, yes.
Bali, naghihintay pala kami ng order namin. So, we bought pizza and chicken wings.
I'm enjoying today that you see me, huh? And my uncle bring me. You see, huh?
We are here in the Tropic Mall. What Binta wants to say?
Yes, we have, you see our mall here. Our mall is beautiful. But we have only this one mall here.
Yeah, have only one mall here.
Yeah.
And even like if you want to go for cinema, they don't have.
We don't have cinema. We
Gam-
have here only club.
You only have what?
Club. When you want to go outside party and you dance, and
Ah.
yourself, we have club.
They only have,
We have many clubs here.
they have clubs, but there's no cinema here. And then this mall is not located in the capital. Capital is in Banjul and there's no mall there, right?
Right there, we don't have any more there.
But here in Kololi, where tourist people normally stay, the mall is here, the clubs are here, many restaurants are around. And the hotels are here.
Many hotels, we have here many hotels.
Yeah. So still we are waiting for our food, guys. You are hungry? Hungry?
I'm hungry. Me?
Binta is hungry.
Yeah, and today I don't take breakfast. I eat only coffee.
Ah, Binta is hungry. Me too is hungry. Guys, this is the food. Pizza and chicken wings. And Binta buy local juice.
Yes.
And me strawberry milkshake. Guys, we will eat. Kain tayo. Say kain tayo.
Tayo tayo. Guys, tayo ka na?
Kain tayo.
Tayo tayo.
Auntie is eating.
I will not take chocolate. I will take my hand. Yeah, me? You know me, I'm not a tobacco. I'm not a tobacco.
Few moments later.
Guys, time to cook dinner. So, magluluto tayo ng laba-laba chop suey, guys. Chop suey. Like this. So, guys, andito ulit si Auntie. She will help me. I will just cook one dish and then the Chinese will cook the other dishes. We are ready for chop suey.
Guys, nag-start na tayo.
Sabi sa inyo, hindi lang ako yung magluluto eh. Talagang liwas-liwas nga. Nagluluto kasi siya ng sobrang anghang. Pag nagluto siya, sobrang anghang. Kaya gusto niya magluto din ako para, 'di ba, makakain ako. So, guys, it's day 2 now. So, this will last up to 30 days. Guys, pala, share ko sa inyo, first time ko lang ma-experience to na ipagluluto ko yung sarili ko. Normally, when I started my work, since that time, hindi ako nagluluto, guys. Meron tagaluto. Kumbaga, nung nasa subcon ako, nagkokorpo kami, nagbabayad kami, tapos may nagluluto para sa amin. So, 'di ba? Kapag kasi nagtatrabaho ka tapos magluluto ka pa, pagod-pagod talaga. Tapos nung nasa contractor side na ako, GenCon, so meron na kaming tagaluto nun. So, talagang never ko pang naranasan yung nagwo-work at the same time pinagluluto ko yung sarili ko mula almusal hanggang hapunan. Minsan naman pinagluluto ko yung sarili ko kapag kailangan. Pero hindi naman yung araw-araw. So guys, proud po ako sa inyong lahat na you are learning the life the hard way. Ganun naman po siya eh. Mas maraming struggles, mas maraming learning. So guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe dyan, pasubscribe naman po. And paki-like and share na rin po. And also, let me know guys kung saan na ba nakakarating yung video natin. Salamat po sa mga OFW na nakasuporta sa akin. Salamat din po sa mga Pilipino na sumusuport po. So, salamat guys. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Always remember, don't forget that you're amazing. Bye-bye!